You either model your application flow from scratch, or you import the existing models from external tools. Jane the tester maintains her user stories and test cases in JIRA. When she connects for the first time, she maps mandatory fields from the external tool to fields in CA Agile Designer. Jane views her existing user stories. And imports them into a flow. First, she deduplicates overlapping steps. Then she drills down and adds this sprint's new requirements. Finally, Jane generates the optimal number of test cases that cover her old and new test requirements. Every time she exports the flow back, existing source items are automatically created or updated. For more detailed information about the product, click the information bubble in the top right corner to load the product page. From there, you can visit product documentation, support, communities, or see the learning paths. Thank you for watching.